Luis Gamer luislarpercool23, and today I'm gonna play some teardown with my friend. My friend, he's not a noob, not a noob. I'm back.
Should we add lasers to the hunting rifle?
Yes. Laser.
Laser!
Laser.
Okay, next. No, game mode.
I have to download. I have to download.
Man, I love break. What?
Pizza. Yes, pizza. Are you a noob? Are you noob?
No,
Are you noob?
I'm experiencing some lag.
He's a noob. I don't like noobs.
It's experiencing lag. Oh my god, my mouse.
See, you're a noob. You're lagging. Only noobs lag.
No, give me. Click.
Only a noob would lag. Ooh, are you a noob? Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces path, I'm home now. Making my way downtown, walking. Making my. Oh my god, it's a noob! Noob alone.
So I'm not lagging.
Noob, so only noobs lag. I thought you were not a noob. Not a noob. Ah! Oh yeah, my very epic Lamborghini. My very own Lamborghini. My non-noob Lamborghini. Noob-free Lamborghini. Frick. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Game is path and I'm home now. Check your internet. Check your internet. Might be your internet issues, or maybe you have too many things open. Check if you have too many things open, or Steam might be downloading. Because if Steam is downloading, it tends to lag me out also. I'm hitting the target. Oh! I just hit a family of 5. I got him in my sights. Oh! I have him in my sights. Oh! I just shot a mom. I just shot someone's mom right next to their kid. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just shot her on me. I just shot her on. Oh my god, I just shot a gorilla. Holy. You're cheating! You're a noob, so you have to use a cheat code? A noob has to, you're a noob, so you have to use a cheat code to win?
You just use the cheat code.
You have to use cheat code to win because you're a noob. I had to cheat against the cheater because he's such a noob.
I can't have a moment of peace.
No. Only a noob would need a moment. You're such a noob! You're such a noob! You're such a noob!
I literally killed you.
I went easy on you.
Circle, circle, circle.
Such a noob. Had to retreat. Holy.
Lol. Bro, only noobs retreat. You're retreating.
You're such a noob. Get good. You're such a noob. Me, luislarpercool23 is not a noob. I'm too cool for school. Oh yeah? Can a noob do this? Can a noob really do this? Really do this? Could a noob really do that? No. No. See? I'm not
Do
a
what?
noob. I'm not a
Do
noob.
what? Do what?
Do what I just did. Only...
What'd you do? I didn't see
Only
it.
pros can do what I did.
I didn't see it.
How did you not see it? It was right there. Right there.
Right where?
Over here. You're just so... You need to get better
Noob.
eyesight. You need to get better eyesight. You need to get better eyesight. You just need to get better
My shopping
eyesight.
trolley.
Noob! 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 You're such a noob. Frick. Noob! 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 Oh my god, me, luislarpercool23 is the best, is very pro. Very pro. Rocket.
If you're so... Oh, why don't you just... do it? Tell me. Oh.
I'm such a pro. I went to the moon, and I went to the moon. Top 5 reasons why I went to the
Hey,
moon.
If you're such a pro, why don't you fight this?
Top 5 reasons why I went to the moon. Reason number 1. Reason number 1 is because I wanted to go to the moon. Cause Vector's up there. Vector. Oh yeah. Number 2 is because it's noob free. No noobs. And number 3 is because I wanted to. Number 4 is because I decided that the moon was cool. Number 5. There's no number 5. So top 4 reasons why I went to the moon.